Hi there, this is Dr. Ari Tuckman. So the question that we're talking about today is, should you disclose ADHD to other people? And if so, how? Great question. I think there's really no specifically right or wrong answers about it. I think that what's more important is to consider, how you do it, when you do it, who you do it to really kind of think about it and make a good, well-informed choice. I think when it comes to this question, I think the first thing you need to ask yourself is, how do you feel about your ADHD? Are you okay with it? Do you understand it? Can you accept it? Not necessarily be happy about it, but, can you accept it, not feel too guilty about it, not feel too ashamed about it? Kind of recognize that, this is a part of who you are, not all of who you are, but it's a piece, and that it affects how you do things, how you get along with people. I think the other thing to consider is it's not just about you, it's also about the other person. Do you trust them? Can they handle this information well? If you tell them, will they understand ADHD? Will they, will they use it against you later and kind of make it out that every problem that comes up is because of your ADHD and, avoid any responsibility on their part. So, you need to consider the other person as well, because sometimes, some people deserve to be told things and some people kind of don't. So, I think that's half of it as well. Overall, what I often will recommend is that people talk symptoms before diagnoses, as I call it. So talking symptoms means to say, I forget things if I don't write it down. So do me a favor, let me write this down, or send me an email about it to remind me. Or if I forget to do something, just give me a reminder later. Talking symptoms, talking in terms that everyone can understand. We all have too much to remember. People can relate to that. In that way, you don't have to get into the whole ADHD thing. In terms of disclosing at work, generally, I got to say, probably not good to use the word ADHD at work. Just makes it more complicated. It's kind of simpler if you just kind of talk symptoms, not diagnoses, and just talk with your boss or coworkers about what they can do to make you a more effective employee so that everybody benefits. I hope this was helpful. Thanks. I'll see you next time.